All right, so if you are currently wondering, or maybe you're thinking, or probably you've asked the question, what winning product can I sell right now? Then I'm here to answer that question for you in this video. All right. Now, if this is the first time of you coming to my YouTube channel, my name is Jonathan Melody, and I talk about marketing and sales, e-commerce, Facebook advertising, affiliate marketing. So if those are the types of videos that you love to watch, do well to subscribe and turn on that notification so that you'll be the first person to know whenever I put out videos such as this one. All right. So without wasting more of your time, let's get to it. So I show you these three winning products. And guess what? The season is right here. The Ember season, right? The festive season. That you can really take advantage of these three winning products. Let's get to it. All right. So let's talk about three products that will take you to millions this year. All right. I'm not saying that you should go ahead and sell all three products. Just pick one and sell, right? And what really matters is know exactly how to sell them right. Okay, if you can sell it right, I guarantee you that you're going to make millions from these products before this year ends. We're in 2021 now. It doesn't even matter when you're going to watch this, but I guarantee that you will make millions from this. Okay, because I know people who are making millions from selling these products. Okay, now before you go ahead to choose what to sell, I just want to run through this list. It is a small list. It's things to look at for more than this, but these are things that are very important if you're looking at selling something that will give you high return. So one, you want to sell something that saves people time. You want to sell something that saves people money. You want to sell something that makes people money. You want to sell something that increases the confidence of people. So you that is selling maybe acne or skin brightening product and all of that, what you're doing is trying to increase the confidence of, or what you're selling is confidence at the end of the day, right? So it's not beauty that you're selling. Anyway, what do you also want to sell? Or when you're looking at selling something, you want to sell what protects people from danger. So security products and all of that. Then you want to sell something that elevates status. Okay, people want to be among. They want to look better than the other person. Okay, that is why people want to buy Gucci. That's why they want to buy Fendi. That's why they buy all of these luxury things, because it elevates their status. It makes them stand out from the crowd. People see them. It caresses their ego. All right. Then the last thing here is sell what elongates life. Okay. People want to live long. Okay. So all of your products are around health. This is the categories they are in. So people want to live long. They want to, be able to enjoy life and all of that. So when you think about something to sell, these are the things that you must bear in mind before you choose anything to sell. Having said that, the first product that we're going to be looking at is designer wristwatches. Now, this is a big one, guys. And there's a whole lot of money to be made here if you can position yourself right, if you can make offers. So it's important you know how to come up with your own angles. You want to make sure that you know how to create offers. These are very important. You want to make sure that you are able to put out good creatives. Okay, so these three things are going to stand you out: your angle, your offer, right, and your creative. If you get these three things right, you're gonna make tons of money. So yeah, designer wristwatches are things that you can sell. So if you go to a place like Facebook ads library, you come on here and let's do a little bit of search. Let's just search for wristwatches. Okay. Let's see. You find all of this stuff, but we want to see someone who has been selling for at least for over a month, right? because that simply means the person is, basically making some profit from that, right? So we want to look at active ads, then impression date. You want to look at on before. So we're in August, so maybe we'll go back to say June, because August just starting, right? And let's apply that, and you're going to see all of these. Okay, this is a chain. We sell chains, earrings, and wristwatches. This is very poor marketing. You can do better than this. You can do better than this. Okay, cute gems. Okay, so these are the same persons. I don't know if they are using this as remarketing or maybe a front to a cold audience, but however, but you can see that they are using a very simple method for this. Send message. You just send us message. I just say, right. But you can do better. That's just my point. Okay. If you've been following me, if you're a member of the 10x community, you're in my coaching program, then you obviously should know how to do better than what this person is doing. But this person has been selling this since June, and they are still running ads, right? The ads are still active. Okay, simply tells you that this person is obviously making money. Okay, I'm not saying that you should go and sell this, but you can use this as, right, maybe an add-on. Okay, part of your offer, right, that you make. You get the point, right? So scrolling further down, you can see here designer wristwatches. Okay, so basically Tommy Hilfiger wristwatch. Okay, I don't know what this is, but basically this Tommy Hilfiger. So basically designer wristwatches. Okay, and in case you're looking for where to find designer wristwatches to buy, just head over to GG. Okay, or go to the market. Okay, if you're in Lagos, I don't know where you are, by the way, but just head over to the Lagos market and you will be able to, if you're part of the community, the 10x community, there is someone you can contact that is going to put you through. Okay, that person is a genius when it comes to local sourcing. Okay, when I say genius, I mean that he is in the market. He is in the market, right? He has a shop in the market, so he can easily help you source from any of the markets around, right? But if you come on here and just type in designer watches, let's say designer watches, right? Watches. You're going to find a whole lot of products right here. Okay, Rolex Dragon 15,000. This is something you can sell for as high as 30 something thereabout. If you do your marketing right, if you do your marketing right, you are going to sell that far more than what is being listed on here. And another place you can even do your search is Facebook. If you go on Facebook and type in let's just do a general search, say wristwatches, right? You do your general search here, you're going to find different stuff. Okay, so this is a friend on Facebook. This guy sells wristwatches, and he's doing well for himself, right? But these are things you can look at. So right here you can see photos to look at, which of them is getting more attention and all of that, or even for your ideas. Okay, you can look at videos as well. My network is slowing down. All right, so you can look at videos as well. So if you click on videos, okay, don't know why that is loading. But another place you can also go ahead with your research is Instagram. So come on Instagram and just type in wristwatches, okay, and you're going to find a whole lot of people who are selling wristwatches. Look at them here, right? All you just need to do is open them up in a different tab. Just open them all up in a different tab and go through what they are selling. Okay, that will give you an idea on the type of watch to sell. For instance, you're going to find maybe a wristwatch that people are loving. Okay, so you find a whole lot of love or likes, or whatever you call it. Okay, a lot of likes, that gives you an idea. Oh, maybe a lot of people really love this wristwatch and all that. Maybe I should start looking at this wristwatch. And that gives you an idea. Okay, so that's that wristwatches. Okay, designer wristwatches. The second one is unbossed designer perfumes. Yes, this is a big one, guys. I know of someone who is doing great. She's doing fabulously well, right? So on designer perfumes are basically, perfumes that are out of the box. Okay, so you want to buy these perfumes, but they are the same thing, the same quality, the same smell, right? But they are no longer in the box. Okay, and like I said, if you come on Instagram, the same thing. Okay, type on bust designer perfume. Okay, so look at them here. On boss designer perfumes, on boss designer, on boss. So you're going to find a whole lot of people who are doing this already. It gives you do is some research into people who are already doing this, and you can still come on Facebook as well. I don't know why this thing is not loading up. On boss designer perfumes. The same thing, you can also come on the as library and typing designer perfumes, right? Designer perfumes. Just do a simple search and you're going to find people who are selling some of these things already, right? You are going to find tons and tons and tons and tons of them. Looking for where to sell them. Oh, come on, sorry, where to buy. Here is it, designer perfumes, right? Designer perfumes, and like you are going to find what you want, right? You're going to find what you want right here. Okay, let's see if we can even see on bust. That is it, on bust designer perfumes, right? These are perfumes that you can sell for as high as can sell for as high as maybe 50, even 100, 200. There are some perfumes that sell as much as 200 per piece, guys. Yes, per piece. You see how I'm talking small so that my neighbors will not hear it. So my point is, these are things you can start selling. Now, the third one I'm about to reveal to you guys is not popular. A lot of people don't even know. The first time I heard about it, I was like, are you kidding me? You mean people make this so much money from selling this? And that is plain t-shirt. Yeah, t-shirt that don't have any kind of writing, no text on them. Yes, I know someone who, this is what he sells. I know him, right? This is what he sells, and in fact, he pivoted to another business, but he had to come back because this business was still making him money. Okay, he had to come back to this business and employ people to take care of this business for him. This is what he sells: plain t-shirts, white, black. You will be amazed at the people who buy this. Okay, but you just have to figure out, that is for you. You don't expect me to do all the job for you, right? You just have to figure out the demographic, the type of people who go for plain t-shirts. You just have to figure that out. All right, so that is it. These three products, pick one, guys. You cannot sell all three at the same time. No, you're going to burn out. You're going to spread your resources too thin, and you are not going to make as much profit as you should. All right, now if you're trying to understand exactly how you can start making offers, I have videos in this channel, on this channel, how you can go about creating your offers. And if you want to know how you can position yourself better, you can decide to be part of the 10x coaching program. Okay, where we are going to have access to a whole lot of resources, that is going to stand you or set you apart from every other person, right? So that is it, guys. Awesome, right? I hope you found that video useful and helpful. If you did, do well to subscribe and share. Let someone else see this, right? Let your friends who are into e-commerce, who are looking for something to sell, to see this. All right, so do well to subscribe, turn on that notification, and of course, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you find it useful. Don't forget to do that. Turn on that notification bell. I will see you next time.